Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm James Review, and today we're diving into the unboxing and first impressions of the M2 Pro Mac Mini from a graphic designer and video editor's perspective. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Let's start with the unboxing. I'm pretty excited with this one because it's my first time diving into the Mac ecosystem. As a Windows user since I was still studying as a designer, I'm looking forward to this one. I just tried this because I heard that Apple ecosystem regarding with their softwares are well optimized. I'm very used to using Windows, and now it's time to go and try a new operating system like this one. We have the manuals, the documentations, and an Apple sticker. Next is the power cord. And that's about it. This looks so nice. Okay, let's remove this one and check the ports available. So what we have here is the power button, the power port, the Ethernet port, 4 Thunderbolt ports, HDMI, and 2 USB-A ports, and the 3.5mm jack port. Launching design software and handling graphic-intensive tasks, this is where the M2 Pro chip needs to shine. My M2 Pro Mac has a 16GB of RAM and 512 of storage. The M2 Pro boasts a 10-core CPU and 16-core of GPU, which is already great for graphic designing and video editing that aren't heavy. Judging by the specs, I know this won't fail me. As a graphic designer and a video editor, the user interface is crucial. Navigating Mac OS and design applications need to be seamless. So the big question, is the M2 Pro Mac Mini worth it for graphic designers and video editors? I'll weigh the pros and cons based on my unboxing and initial experience, and that's for the next video. Stay tuned for the verdict. That wraps up our unboxing and first impression of the M2 Pro Mac Mini from a graphic designer's perspective. If you're a fellow designer or considering this machine, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the follow-up review. And as always, thanks for watching.